Alright, okay, so in today's video, we're going to try this new play to earn game. Okay, this is on Binance Smartchain as well. So this is the main website. So Pokemoney is the is the game. Okay, so if you're going to see here, it has like a same like a name with Pokemon, but I'm going to look forward on how it is being able or how we'll be able to make money on the into this game. So this is Pokemoney.info. Okay, so I will be putting the link down below for you to be able to check it out as well. And they do have a lot of things in here which we're going to discuss later on, but I'm going to have a live gameplay on this game. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, this is Crypto Addict back again with new content for you guys, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so now okay, let's click this getting started. Okay, so of course, there is a guidelines here. Okay, how you'll be able to buy your own Neko. So this is a pretty much a mining game. Okay, and what we're just going to do here is that we're just going to go back at this portion. So let's click the play, all right, and then let's buy some Nekos here. So one tab here is like cost 20 BUSD, and the other one is 28 BUSD. So I don't know what's in here. Okay, if this is a lot more valuable, but this one are not clickable. So I guess this is the only thing that we could probably buy. So okay, let's see do we have some money in BSC. So we have. So let's buy two Nekos here. So it's just 20 BUSD. So technically you just need a thousand pesos or 20 USD to start. And let's proceed with the payment. So let's just confirm this one. Okay, let's confirm. Let's confirm. Okay. So okay, it says success. Okay, and now let's open this. We need to pay some gas fees in here. Okay, unfortunately, because we are in Binance Smartchain, so we need to pay gas fee for every transaction, especially this one because you're saving your data, right? So okay, it says transaction confirmed, and now okay, we are yet to open our Pokemoney. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got a 3-star and we also got a 2-star. Okay, so that's awesome. That's awesome, guys. Okay, and now let's go back into the game, right? Let's go back into the game, and let's click the game wiki as well. Okay, let's see what are like the rarities, because there are rarities here. So all right, in here, okay, so there's like a rarity. But I'm like trying to find like because there's a 2-star and there's a 3-star here. So I'm trying to find where is it actually. So let's go here. Let's go here into the Nekos. So it only says here that of course there's 4 types or elements like fighting, rock, psychic, and ghost. All right, so they do have different attributes, right? And if we're going to go into the battle, so this is like the hit points. So into this portion you'll be able to understand, or we're going to understand that of course we need to pick Nekos, or we need to pick opponents that is a lot more favorable to us. We need to pick an opponents like that. So there's an NKG mining in here. Okay, so let's choose one token, and then let's confirm it. All right, let's confirm. So we just really need to wait for a few more seconds for this portion. All right, so we just need few more seconds and it's pretty much done. All right, so we see it here. Okay, so this one is a psychic. So this is like the level, and this is the total score. This is the advantage, and blah blah blah. And let's try to like what do you call that? Let's try to what do you call that? Choose another hero. Okay. All right. Sorry guys. Just something came up. So of course, let's continue. Let's click the start, and then let's confirm it. Okay. So we just need to wait for a few more seconds on this one. So this is more like a mining game, right? And then if you go into like what do you call that? Refresh this. If you're going to refresh this, you'll be able to get you will be able to find or see the NKGs that you have, or the NKGs, and also the NECOs that are mining onto you. So let's refresh this one. I don't know why is it not yet appearing, but it is not already into the game. So let's go back. So there is like a mining in here. So okay, so this is where we mess up. All right, so in NECOs, right, like what I've said to you, I am playing this game well, of course, first time, so I will be like discussing to you and let's see what we can probably get in here. Okay, it is not in here. I think it is in here. Oh, it is not also in here. Let's try to find it. Oh, it's not even positioned, so I don't understand where is my NECOs, right? So it's not even in here. I don't know where is it. It is on the part-time job. All right, it is on the part-time job section. Okay, so we what you just need to do is, of course, you have this like psychics and everything, and then you have the salary NKGs. Usually if you are level 1, it's a lot more better if you are just going to stay in here, because in Jungle Guardian, Bounty, Budokan, Magic Potion, and blah blah blah, you need to be level 2, and also you need to pick NECOs that are much more favorable. So let's say your NECOs has this kind of attributes. Okay, instead of going in here, you can just go directly in Bounty Assassin or Dark Forest or Magic Potion. So you pick which area is much more favorable to you. Okay, so let's now find this NKG tokens. Okay, so let's open the Poolcoin app. Okay, I want to be transparent. Okay, so NECO Gold. So this is the NECO Gold. It's, I don't know, but I would say that this is pretty much a big one, right? It is pretty much a big one. A big one. So if this is what's happening in here, okay, if this is the current price, oh, that's a pretty much a big upside. Let's now go back. Okay, we have like 0.7560, right? So I don't know how much we are going to get, but I can assume that we can probably get around 100 to 300 NKGs per day. That's what I assume. So let's try. Okay, how much is actually 300 NKGs? Okay, that's 0.01 in USDT. How much is it? It's 25 pesos, right? 0.5. So if you have like 2, so that's like 600 to 700. That's like that's just like $1 a day. Okay, so if you got pretty much a good type of NECOs, I think your ROIs are a lot more faster. But while I am going with the what do you call that, with the Telegram group, I see that it is around 50 to 70 days ROI on this one. Okay, so of course this is not a financial advice. All right. Okay, this play to earn. Okay, I'm just I'm just like creating a video for this one because it's pretty much interesting, and I am a crypto enthusiast, so I just really love like playing games. Okay, and also if you make money, then it's also good, but of course do not use this video as it means for investing in any projects. Okay, even with other creators, other NFT YouTubers as well, like me. So basically we're just going to claim this one. Okay, so I'm just going to show it to you that it is claimable. And okay, we're just going to wait for this one, right? And then let's see, we have a 1 Neko already, right? So what is the best scenario for me? If you're going to ask me, or if I'm going to share to you my my opinion on this one, I'm not going to sell it at this portion. It is very low. Maybe I'm going to wait for like 0.01, pretty much 10x or 0.1 if it is actually going to go up even more. But in my case, I guess I'm just going to continue mining. But also, just my tip, okay? It's a lot more better if we going to claim these NKG tokens, let's say once a day or twice or once every 3 days. Okay, so the reason here is that you are paying a gas fee every time you are claiming an NKG, so it's a lot more bad, or it makes your ROI a lot more slower, because you're also paying for the gas fees, which is also adding up with the current capital that you probably entered or you start into this game. Alright, so this is Pokemoney. Pokemoney info, NFT play to earn game in Binance Smartchain, and it is your choice, guys. Of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict, back again with new contents, and of course do not worry about this one, because you do not need to like make it like open every single time, right? So you can like leave it, you can like sleep, and it's still continuously mining. So that's a good sign, I guess, because of course it saves electricity as well. So that's it for today's video, and see you on the next one.